All right, so it's time to check out my portfolio. I told you I would bring you this video. Right now it's Sunday. It's Memorial Day weekend. It's Sunday. It's May 30th. I trade 3 different portfolios. I think it's 3 different portfolios. Mainly, we're gonna check out the main one, and I think I can show you the other one. So let's just get to it and stop all the nonsense. All right, let's check it out, man. All right, so here we go. This is the main portfolio I trade from, and I'm using this is Charles Schwab. You can see it's live here, right here, live at the top. And this is Street Smart Edge. It's pretty nice. It takes a little bit to get used to, but once you use it, nice platform. So here we go. These are the positions to the left. I don't know how many that is. I wish it would add it up at the bottom. And then what y'all want to look at, I guess, here's the P&L of the positions. Now, this doesn't show my main running P&L. These are just the P&L of these positions right here. So, like this position in Google, if I were to sell it, that's it. It just drops off. It doesn't kind of maintain a running P&L balance. So right now, I'm currently in the Airbnb. You see, I'm down $9,169. Now, I have some spreads on, and mostly calls. I got long calls in here. I got 2 short calls sold for hedging. The long calls mainly in the year 2023. Now this number is false. Okay, it's correct, but it's not showing you the big picture, because with the one position right here, this is the June 17, 2022 call. I bought 2 of them, and you can see I'm down 8,531 positions. This is why you just can't be buying straight calls. I'll do it sometimes, but you can't. But the thing with this one, I had that hedge. This was actually a vertical call spread. So I think I bought the 185, and maybe, I don't remember what I sold against it. Maybe the 250 or something like that, or even the 200. I don't remember. But that position was up almost as much as this one. So this is down 8,500. The position I bought back was like $8,000 in profit. So I just decided to close that out and let the long call take care of itself, right? So I rode that short call all the way down, damn near to the downside. The total position was only down maybe, I don't know, less than 1,000, maybe $500 or something like that. So I bought the short calls back, and now I'm just in the long options, and I'm hoping to ride it back up. And I have basically a year to get that down, so we could watch that over time. So I made 7,000 or so on the short side of this before I bought it back. So this is kind of false. And that's one thing that you should do. Like when you put on you always want to hedge your positions. You rarely go long calls or long puts or whatever, unless you're really trying to head from the short side. A little different scenario there. But since this is mainly a long portfolio, I don't really hedge it with puts. I just hedge it with selling something against it. So verticals is the way you want to go. So that way, when it goes down, and you could buy that call back, and then you could buy the short call back, and then ride the long call back up to the upside. It works nice. It works perfect. You know what I mean? And sometimes it works against you, meaning when you buy that short call back, the stock could still fall. Now you're kind of you're heavy in the position, and you really definitely need it to bounce. But once I buy that short call back, I'm like, do I want to just close out the whole position? That's what I'm starting to think. But for the most part, no, because I have time. All these elite positions, I have time to think about it, I have time for it to work. And when you buy options or even verticals, and you're out of the money, and you only got 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, if it doesn't start working right away, you almost got to get out the position. You almost got to get out of the position, because it's going to wind up taking all your money. Let's go back to the portfolio. All right, I did want to make this a quick video, so let's just go down it. Albemarle, Amazon, down 2,400. Now that is accurate. I got some short puts. Basically, I sold the 3,200, bought the 3,180s a year out from now. Actually, I only got 6 months left on that position. I need Amazon to finish above 3,200. I did that 12 times, so that's a big position. Once that starts going my way. This should turn around rapidly. The delta is 15. It's kind of like I have 15 shares of Amazon. So the price of Amazon is 3,224 times 15. That position is trading like I got $48,000 position in Amazon. So that's a pretty big position. By the way, since I sold the puts, you see the theta decay. This is positive theta. This means this position, I'm actually making $1 a day. I'm not losing money in calls, right? You can see the Airbnb right here. I'm losing $13 a day. This is a 3-day weekend. Man, I'm going to lose $39 just as the weekend passes. So that's not cool. And you kind of want this theta to be positive, and this is why I will actually sell puts against the positions and kind of sit it out, just wait it out. Anyway, you see Boeing, right? Up 4,000. Is that all right? Yeah, Boeing up 4,000. I got a lot of positions in there. I really like Boeing. Booking, I'm up 2,900. I got another portfolio where I'm getting crushed in that. Chipotle, I'm down 20. I bought this position just before the recent tech slide. EA, I've been in that for a while. Here's the way, ELY, that's Callaway Golf. Callaway Golf, I'm up $3,686. Now, I told y'all about that position. I told y'all I really like that position because no one talks about it. If you look at my YouTube channel right here, Dre Trades, you come down here, and I think I did a live. Here it is. I did a live talking about it. Unfortunately, this is 2 hours and 12-minute live, and you could see right here. Yeah, there I am. Come on, internet. There it is. I'm talking about it. I'm telling you what I discovered on my trip, and I got long right here and told everyone about it. So you got to hit the bell. You got to hit the bell with me and subscribe because I do be dropping nuggets in the lives, man. You should watch all the lives. We actually be having fun in the lives. Anyway, back to the portfolio. Up, see, where's that Eli? Right here, up 3,600 from that video. That was like a month ago. Stock has been on fire. Anyway, Expedia. See, I'm long Expedia 2, 551. Long Ford. I got long big time on the Ford. I'm up. See, I got 483 shares. And how am I playing that? I got a call spread. I bought the 12s, sold the 20s in January 2023. I think we should reach 20 with no problem with Ford by January 20, a year and a half from now, basically. Google up 2,400, Intuitive Surgical up 2,600. Now these positions, by the way, they have to mature. This is just what I'm up now. I don't really trade it. I'm just holding it, and it's got a lot more to mature, right? Because these are, I think, leaps as well. Look, everything expires in 2023, and everything is hedged out, right? So I'm long 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm long 3, 6 calls, and I'm also short 6 calls. So I'm hedged out. If one of those shorts actually goes down to basically, if it's cheap enough for me to buy it back, I will, and just be long the call. And here's Nike. I put that on not too long ago. I actually put this position on when the market was sliding. I got a little more safer. I was in some dangerous stocks, some of the wood stocks we'll call them, and I went a little bit more safe. Swapped out this for that. Nike was one of the ones I bought. I kind of like the way the chart was stabilized, and this is I basically sold puts. Look, I sold the 130s, bought the 125s that expire in January. Right now, Nike's trading at 136. This should finish out of the money, and I collect all my premium, but it's safe. I think it's safe. Nike done stabilize for a little bit. Nvidia up $1,298 in that. Open Door. Remember I told you about that? I'm just small position. I bought 2 long calls. Yeah, 2 long calls that expire January 23. That position only cost me $600 right there. PayPal up now $53 and blah, blah, blah. Starbucks, the Qs. By the way, this is a short-term position. This is when I play shorts, right? I'm just kind of selling some out-of-the-money premium, and that expires in a few days, right? See, look, this expires June 4th, right? What is that, Wednesday or something like that? And right now that position's up $19. So I've been doing that, selling short puts, short calls. I'm selling uh, vertical put spreads within saying short calls within like a week, weeklies, right? I'm kind of playing around with that. That's been pretty successful. I'll do it on the Qs, I'll do it on the SPY, just whatever I think is going to be the better trade. Starbucks up 1,700. I got a big position in this one. I sold the 105s, bought the 95s that expire in January, right? So I think Starbucks should be safe. Right now it's trading at 113. It should be above 105 by January, right? I mean, I think things got to go wrong. So far that's up $1,700, and these are the set it and forget it trades, man. It's like I own 153 shares of Starbucks, and look, that position is making me $4 a day. Look at that theta. You want positive theta? If you add up all the theta, I think it gives me right there. So I'm making $1.24 a day on this portfolio. I'm not losing money. Even with this Airbnb, overall, I have positive data to the portfolio. Shake Shack. Got the Shake Shack. I'm up $600. Snow. This is actually a position that, remember, I just did a video on it. Look, it expires June 4th. All right, so I just sold some puts on it. I think it's going higher. See, it's up $29. But that one, and I think I don't have that here. I thought the other one. And Walmart. Got a lot of things going on in Walmart. Had this forever, and I'm down. I mean, Walmart's been a little disappointing, but it's okay. I think it's going to go up because, yeah, I needed to go a little higher. I don't know. This position, I don't think it's going to close negative, but I am a little bit more aggressive in it. I need this thing to go up to about 150, up to maybe 160 for it to be a good position. Let's see what earnings looks like coming up. Now, this is the main account. This is the account that has the most money in it. And I'll go to my other account. This is a small account right here. I trade a lot of short-term stuff in here, like this Peloton position. I'm down $62. I just sold the one. I flipped it. I did sell a short. I made money. I sold like the 110, 100 or something like that. Bought that back, and now I went long. I bought the 115, 140s that expire in September, right? So that's going to include another earnings cycle in there. Right now it's down $62. It had a bad day on Friday. In the Qs, I'm up $22. This is one of those that expire. Look at that. See, it expires June 1st. This set expires June 4th. This one expires June 16th, all of these, right? So I think this is a iron condor. So some of these are iron condors, some of these are just straight up selling put verticals. But the whole position, everything is up $22. Tesla, there's nothing here. This is I just got $4. I took $5 and bought Tesla. I was going to start buying it. I don't know. It's a little $5 position. Look, quantity 0.0077. I'll just hold on that for fun and games. And Letter X up $76. US Steel, I talk about it recently. This is just one of the many trades that I had on. I've been kind of flipping them because they short term. This expires June 11th. And I'm long the 24 and short the 27 calls, right? So that's working out fine because right now Letter X is trading at $25.95. So my short call is at 27. I need to go up to 27 within the next 2 weeks, and I can max this out almost for max profit. And there it is. It's looking good, right? Up $1,115 with these positions. So my current positions don't have many losses. There it is. For that small portfolio, my main one, go back to it. This, like I said, is false, but this is a loss. But most of these are gains, and total up $7,877. There you have it, man. There's my portfolio. What do you think? What do you think about the positions? What do you think about the way I trade? I talk about it right here all the time. I don't necessarily have a specific video about it, but go ahead. I'm dropping nuggets in the videos. That's why you got to watch the videos, and I'll tell you what I'm in. So, yeah, I'm actively trading. Well, that's because I don't want you to think actively. I'm constantly in and out, even though I do some of it for fun with the short-term puts sold on the Qs and SPY, maybe the DIA, maybe the IWM. And that's why I was thinking about even getting the Forex a little bit, just so keep me a little bit more busy and making money. And, I should do the futures as well. I could do futures I wind up losing money, and I might even wind up losing money if I do the forex thing, because it's just too. I just like get bored and I'll start to trade, and that's when you don't want to trade. You don't want to just do it for your bored and get in there and you feel you have to make a trade, and I wind up losing. But there it is. This is all of the stuff. It's all options except for that $5 Tesla position, and you can see I make money. I'm making pretty good money, and I just sit back and relax, and I don't worry about the day-to-day ups and downs. I just need these stocks to hit a certain target by a certain time, and if it's struggling like the Walmart position is, I got time to think about if I want to cut it loose, and I don't even be down a lot. You have to buy long calls, and you can make a lot by. That's bad. No. Let's do it this way. If you buy calls, you want to allow yourself plenty of time, and also hedge those calls by buying vertical calls, right? You buy one and you sell another one, or you sell a put and buy another one for protection. That's how I think long term, and that's what you was looking at most of the time. And I basically set it and forget it. And the stocks portfolio is making me money almost every day, even if it's neutral. I like making money even when the stock, even if I wanted to go up, sideways, and maybe even down a little bit. And that's when I sell those vertical puts, right? Long term, right? And just relax, man. Is Starbucks going to be above 105 in the next year? Most likely. That's a good position. I'm not crushing it like you would see in some other YouTube channels, but I showed you the calculator. If you can make 100% a year, God, you'd be a millionaire in no time, man. You would blink in a couple of years and be like, oh shit, my portfolio is this much, because you're flipping it damn near 100% every year. So it works. I'm telling you, it works. All right, man. I hope y'all liked the video. I'm kind of just rambling on and on. I wanted to make it short, but my mouth just starts going. So anyway, subscribe, like. You don't have to hit the bell. I would appreciate if you hit the bell, because that's how you find out stocks like Callaway. I should have made another video about it. You know, I'll drop nuggets in those lives of actually what I'm doing, and things like that. Check out everything. Check out the past. You know, as you can see, when I talk, I be trading. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Dre, and I am out of here. Peace. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend.